fucking cat.
Where did you come from?
Two evil eyes.
How did you get in here?
A devil's work of art.
Oh, you have to get off the paper. Come on.
Evil eyes. A soul
How did you get in
without a
here?
heart.
How did you
Evil eyes that trifle with romance.
Yeah, well, what if you decide to
They're
trip
a
up here?
fool who dares
Throw my
to
eyes
take
out.
a chance. Now wise men never gamble for fortune and for fame. The fool will always gamble, though he seldom wins the game. And I'm a fool who knows too well. Two evil eyes have cast me.
It's a fucking cat. Meow, 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 meow.
Two evil eyes, a devil work of art.
Cat!
A soul without a heart. Two evil eyes that trifle with romance. To snare a fool who dares to take a chance. Now wise men never gamble for fortune and for fame, but a fool will always gamble, though he seldom wins the game. And I'm a fool who knows too well. Two evil eyes have cast me in their spell.
Must have gotten inside while I was building the room.